Are you working, waiting, giving, or just worrying? Minsan, hindi na natin namamalayan, mas marami na tayong iniisip kaysa pinaniniwalaan. This 2026, shift your focus. The mindset you step into in 2026 will shape your life, finances, and relationships. Let me share with you the 4 simple ways to shift from worry to abundance. Number 1, stop worrying, start worshiping. Shift your focus from fear to faith. Trust the God of abundance. Kapag puro worry, doon napupunta ang focus natin sa takot at kakulangan. Pero when we choose worship, binabalik natin ang focus natin sa Diyos. He is the God of abundance, not lack. When you worship instead of worry, faith becomes louder than fear. Number 2, stop worrying, start working. God is not against work. He is against worry. Work faithfully, not fearfully. Hindi laban ng Diyos sa work, laban siya sa worry. God honors diligence done with faith, not anxiety. Do you work faithfully, not fearfully? Gawin mo ang kaya mo at ipaibaya mo kay God ang hindi mo kontrolado. Number 3, stop worrying, start waiting. Work hard, wait patiently. Trust God's timing. Ang waiting ay hindi ibig sabihin na walang ginagawa ang Diyos. Habang naghihintay ka, may hinahanda siya para sa iyo. Work hard, wait patiently, and trust God's timing. What feels slow is often God's perfect preparation. Number 4, stop worrying, start welcoming. Scarcity grab, abundance trust, there is enough for everyone. Ang scarcity mindset takot mawalan, pero ang abundance mindset marunong magtiwala. Kapag marunong kang mag-welcome ng blessings, opportunities, at kahit success ng iba, ina-align mo ang puso mo sa generous heart ni God. There is enough because God is more than enough. As 2026 approaches, choose faith over fear. Choose trust over worry. Choose abundance over scarcity. Because when you follow God's way, you never walk alone. Trust God. Do your part. Rest in His promises. Thank you for watching mga ka-Royal Minds. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and share. See you again next time.